National Manufacturing Policy and Production-Linked Incentive Scheme. These are not just policies, they are growth enablers, empowering Indian industry to meet and exceed global benchmarks and paving the way for the future. There are also shifts taking place in investment and sectoral growth. While what is exciting is the shift from traditional sectors to high-value, value-added manufacturing. In 2010, India's manufacturing GVA stood at 5.6 lakh crore rupees. By 23, it had grown nearly fourfold to 21.9 lakh crore rupees. Key contributors to this growth include textiles, metals, chemicals, electronics, and machinery, each playing a defining role in India's upward trajectory. Industries such as automotive and pharmaceuticals are witnessing particularly dynamic growth. The automobile sector is benefiting from increased consumer demand and policy incentives, while pharma continues to cement India's reputation as the pharmacy of the world, especially in generics and vaccines. So, India is emerging as a global manufacturing hub. There is now a trend of growing number of global capability centers being set up in India. International players are increasingly choosing India for its talent, agility, and policy support. Let us now talk a little bit on the role of this conclave. The Manufacturing Conclave is more than just a platform for dialogue. It's a springboard for action. It offers a powerful opportunity to share knowledge, spark collaboration, and define strategies that will shape the future of Indian manufacturing.